Hey guys, welcome back to Ham Radio for Non-Techies. Today's going to be a pretty short video. I just want to touch on a event that's happened in the community amongst us hams with a fellow ham YouTuber. But first, I really wanted to thank everybody who's been visiting the website, hamradiofornontechies.com. My analytics have indicated that we've had almost 10,000 visits just in the past month. That's absolutely fantastic. So anything on my website that helps you guys out, helps you out with your journey in ham radio, anything that helps you guys to study for and pass your exams, helps you out while you're in the field. That's exactly what that site's built for, so I really do appreciate it. Getting on to the major topic here. Some of you may or may not be aware, there is a fellow ham and fellow YouTuber. His name is Jim Heath. His call sign is W6LG, Whiskey 6, Lima Golf. And he's been around for quite a while. He's around way before me. He's commented on my videos a couple times and offered to be a mentor for me and stuff like that. A really good guy. He knows his stuff. He's got just under 300 videos on his channel now, but he's having some personal health issues. So we want to try and help out anybody in the ham community when we can. I know when I had my accident last year, about this time last year, the ham community came out in force and it saved me. So it really, really helped out. So I'm asking you to now pay it forward and let's all try to help out Jim here get through his stuff. He's got some medical issues and, you know, the bills are going to be piling up and things like that. And anything we can do, there's enough hams in this country that if we all just gave away, you know, $5 or $10, we could actually make it happen. Let me bring up his channel here real quick. So this is Jim's channel, and he does have a link to the PayPal donation right on his page. But if you go through and look at some of his videos, he's got a lot of videos on a lot of topics. The guy knows his stuff. He's really good at what he does. Very easy to follow, very easygoing guy. So, you know, if we can help him out and help offset some of the costs of those medical costs to him, I think he would appreciate it. I would appreciate it. A lot of the hams and a lot of the YouTubers would appreciate it. When you click on that link down here, which I'll have these links down below, both to his channel and to the PayPal donation, it will take you over to here and you can choose a one-time or monthly payment, you know, 5, 10, 15 bucks, whatever you can give some money out, help the guy out a little bit, show the community that we're behind each other. And let's just try to do what we can to support one another. Like I said, I didn't want to make this a really long video, but I wanted to point you guys out. Oh, also, if you have not subscribed to him, he's just about at 50,000 subscribers. I think it'd be really cool if we can send him over the top. He's at 47.7 thousand subscribers. So if we can get him to 50, you know, in the next week or two, that'd be fantastic. So consider that. Consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything. You click the subscribe button, click on the little bell, just like you do on my side, on my channel or anybody else's channel you're interested in. I think you'll find a lot of good information on his channel for you. And, you know, hey, he's an Elmer, you know, he's definitely somebody who's got a lot of knowledge, and some of the stuff might be over your head, but some of it might not. Just go and check it out and try it out. Always keep your mind open to new things. Anywho, that's all I really had for today, guys. I just wanted to quickly jump on here. I want to make mention of that. Again, if you can make a donation, that'd be fantastic. You guys did this for me, and I cannot even tell you how appreciative I was at that time to even know that the community was even there. I mean, I got more help, put it this way, I got more help from the ham community of people who've just seen me on YouTube, never met me before, than I did from my actual friends. Think about that for a minute. So let's reach out, let's help out. 5, 10 bucks, you know, anything helps this point. And I think, you know, we can really show a good show of force here and support this guy. Hey guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Again, subscriptions are free. Click the little bell, be notified when I do new videos. And until then, guys, my name is Scott. My call sign is KI5NPL. This is Ham Radio for Non-Techies, and we are clear.